This is Christoph with Dusty Trails 4x4 Garage. I let the chickens out into the backyard just because, you know, it's getting warm and they need a place to roam. And they're digging holes. The chickens are digging holes. Over there. Look at that. What are they doing? Hey, chickies. So that's what they're doing. They're digging holes. Isn't that fun? Bok, 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 bok. They're like attacking it. It's crazy. I spilled some water over there on purpose. So I keep hearing from paleontologists and other such experts saying that dinosaurs aren't extinct. They're actually right here. These are dinosaurs. The one trying to get into my shed, that's a dinosaur. Maybe I should let her. Maybe she'll find a mouse. They will eat mice, by the way. We've been catching rats out at the property, out the ranch. And what I do is I bring them back here. I cut them in half and toss them in the yard, and by the next day, whatever's left is unrecognizable as a rat. And the chickens are quite happy running around with little bits of noodle, except it's not noodle. Dig that hole. Dig it. These crazy birds. So yeah, I've got dinos in the backyard now. Yay. Ooh, she's aggressive. I think she found something she likes. Funny. So that's it. Just keeping an eye on my birds. Checker Bok Bok, this one's for you. Say hi, Chicky Poo. Alright. Don't forget to check out our merch. Should be a link at the bottom of the screen. This is Christoph for Dusty Trails 4x4 Garage signing out.